Hi, welcome back. Another important session. Today, we're going to see how to generate proforma invoice. What exactly the proforma invoice? Proforma invoice means we will generate an invoice. For that invoice, we're not going to post any values. Okay. Proforma means it's a dummy, duplicate, or sample of the invoice. It is the carbon copy of your invoice. Okay. So what is the advantage of proforma invoice? Let's go back and try to explore this one. So if you are from ACC background, you aware of this one. So basically, proforma invoices. Advantage of proforma invoices. If you see your regular OTC, order, delivery, and billing, you will do that. Okay. For order, you are using Word document. Delivery, you are using LF document. You are using F2 document. Okay. This is the place where this is one of the key integration between your SD and FI. Okay. Whatever the concept called account determination that you are going to do. Okay. What is this? Account determination. Okay. Basically, it is an interface. So if you'd like to post values from your SD to FI, you can able to do this. Yeah, that's fine. So till here you are fine, right? So like why we have to generate additional set of the copies? So when you generate additional set of copies, you are not going to post to FI. Just you want a duplicate. So let me tell you what are the basic advantages. First advantage. Okay. So by using proforma invoice, for example, okay, you are doing delivery, you are creating a delivery document, right? Okay, by using VL001N. So, and within that you will do post goods issue. So you will generate, okay, pick list and okay, uh, packing list, pick list and packing list you will generate. Okay, along with that, you require invoice. So first advantage, you will generate a delivery related duplicate. Okay, duplicate or copy before printing a bill. So like your company has a policy like once goods delivers to your customer, then only customer is going to pay. Okay, but your company has a policy that before before delivering the goods, we're not going to generate the billing document at the finance department. For such a case, what will you do? You'll send the exactly, for example, if you buy 100 bags of certain product which price is assume that 100 euros. Okay, so again you are not going to bind by your company policy. Sometimes you don't have a track. So such a case you will print the bill for this customer 100 euros. You don't post and you don't do settlement at FI side. If you do post and settlement, that will do with the help of F2. There should be another document I should need it. So to send to my customer, this is the worth of the stock I'm sending to you. Okay. This is one advantage. Company policy. Okay. Second advantage. Suppose if you are sending goods, so maybe uh, from one country to another country. Okay. Export regulations. Okay. So you are sending certain goods in ship, it may take 1 week to 15 days. Till the time, suppose if you are not going to print, then how government will come to know, how export department will come to know, okay, whether it is actual goods or stolen goods. Okay, so to create a legal transparency for export side, okay, to clear the export regulations. For example, so if you are going to keep certain stock in the godown, okay, once you do the export clearance only, then only it will move to the customer location. For example, if you are sending from India to France, okay, France, there should be some godown will be there. Okay, so before reaching to the customer, okay, it will reach to the France, but it should clear the customer clearance. In the similar way, India also, if it is supposed to send the same set of the goods, customer clearance must be done. Okay, so this is one thing. So your export regulations. Third advantage. Okay, one is company policy and export regulation, and third one is like your customer. Suppose he is raising continuously orders with the company, but he need to track himself at his hand. So how much it is actually delivered. Okay, suppose you generated a proforma invoice for 100 goods, but actually delivered 50. So invoice done only 100. So you just have to compare. Okay, customer and also customer and also required sometimes. Okay, so these are the basic advantages of proforma invoices, whether you take exports or imports. And again, the fourth advantage, okay, you can able to do the audit purposes. So these are the different advantages will be there. That's why you require to generate the printing instead of generating. So sometimes you can able to generate if it is service related billing. Okay, so like order invoice. So there you can able to generate at invoice level also. It depends on your requirement. For example, so if it is order related billing, one billing document type will be there. If it is a delivery related billing, one billing document type will be there to generate proforma invoice. Okay, again this order and this is again F2. So I'm not saying anything. This is order related scenarios. If you go for your credit memos and debit memos and order related invoices like third party sales and your service order, if you take any certain cases also, you require to generate printing for proforma for order related billing also. Now you got a couple of cases. Okay, right, this is delivery bill related billing, order related billing. Now let's try to go back to the slide. Okay, so you will do the billing eventually. F5 means it is order related billing. F8 means it is delivery related proforma. Let's try to check on SAP system what are all these documents. Okay, so let me log in first. Let's go to Vivo FA. Okay, so now if you see this F5. Okay, so this is a basic, the document category is U, and you can able to find one thing here, surprising thing, there is no account determination procedure got assigned. Okay, so there is no, if it is posted to your finance GL accounts you will have. Okay, in the similar way this is order related. Okay, let's try to check what is delivery related. F8. Okay, so you can see this, there is no account determination, no document procedure also not assigned. Okay, so let's try to check this. The document category is U for proforma invoice. You try to remember this, and whereas your regular invoice is M. This is the basic difference when it comes to configuration wise. Okay, now let's try to create one sales order. Okay, I'm just taking OR. So I'm just entering the sales area. Let's press enter. Let's try to enter the customer. So delivery related proforma. Okay, let's try to check. Okay, so let's go and try to check in complete log. So it is the same thing if it is SD or S4 HANA. So let's go to VL01N. Okay. So let's try to check this. Okay. So maybe delivery date, let me try to put it 18th so that it will pick. So it is not up to that. Okay, let me go to the order and let's try to check what is the date actually it is referring to do the delivery. So it's confirmed on 24th. Let's come to the sale. Okay, I have done the picking. Okay, let's do the post goods issue. So now let's come here, VF01. So let's choose F8, proforma invoice for delivery. We haven't done our regular billing document. Okay, press enter. Okay, let's try to save this. Okay, it is got saved. Now let's go to VH03. Okay, go to the document flow. So now you see this. What is it is looking like that? Proforma invoice completed. Okay, still outbound delivery in progress. Okay, so goods issue is complete. Now let's try to do the our regular billing. Okay, if you press enter, this is F2. Okay, I'm just saving this. So now let's go to VA03 and check this one. So if you click this one, this is a proforma invoice. Okay, go to display of the document. See this is F8. If you click accounting, so it is not to be created because we don't have an account determination procedure. So in the similar way, if you want to do it, you can able to do it n number of proforma invoices. Come here. So let me VL03N. Okay, this is the document. So let's come here. We have 01. Okay. So F8. Okay. So press enter. So it is allowing. How many you want you can able to save it. This is basically like the document itself. It says that the copy control delivery related. From delivery the data is copying, otherwise nothing else. If you go to the doc flow, you can able to see this. You have one copy, you have another copy, but billing you cannot able to do it. Okay, if you try to do the same thing, VF01, it says, see, no billing document were generated because it is already generated, so it won't allow you. The similar way, let me try to show you something. Okay, if it is order related, how we can able to do this. Okay, let's take this. So let's try to check test F5. Okay, proforma. I'm just entering this. Let's take the quantity. Let's try to save this. So we have 01. Let's try to put the 204 F5. So let's save this. So you can see F5 proforma invoice order related. Okay. Now if you want, what is that 204, right? What is that? VA03 204. If you want, you can able to do one more billing. Okay, let's come here. Try to bill. Okay, so let's try to take F5. Okay, I'm just showing the sample. Now go to VA03 again. Let's try to check the doc flow. You got two proforma invoices. In the similar way, how many you want, you can able to do that. Let's try to do the billing delivery. Okay, let's come here, sale. So you can see this is delivery related billing, actual F2 invoice. Now go to VA03. Let's check the doc flow. You can see two proforma. In the similar way, if you wanted to send it to customs, you can send it. If you want the customer want, you can send it. This is the actual invoice settlement. This is done through account determination procedure. So sometimes they will ask entry questions on this. No worry. In future, I will try to do one thing for to handle the entry use on SAP SD or S4 HANA. No worries. Hey folks, the final update my end. Currently, I'm holding 2,439 students. So I have done courses on ECC. This is 70.5 hours. And currently, I'm recording on S4 HANA 2020. That will be available in future. You can, if you have some doubts, you can subscribe this course for pricing. And I have one course on rebates. If you are very beginner to S4 HANA, better you do this course before doing my S4 HANA 2020. Of course, although everything I'm recording on S4 HANA 2020, but you can able to find different concepts related to business partner. Actually, it is in 3 level. You can try to find out and you have to do the practice. This is very, very important. If you don't know complete S4 HANA also, no problem. Sometimes CCC folks directly got introduced to S4 HANA. So such a case, it will create a comfort. It doesn't mean that you are not going to handle. I'm not going to do the lies actually. I learned on my own. If you have such a capacity, you can able to do that. Otherwise, you better go through this course. It will be helpful to you if you are from ACC background also. The similar way, our SD settings got moved to FSCM. Okay, from 1610 and I don't know 15 level. 1610 and 1702 1909 like that, I have recorded this one. It will give a quick introduction to interact with your fellow FSEO consultants to help them out. Okay, so like FSEO consultants also can able to go through it how SD got integrated with in terms of credit management. It will give you a good outlook. And when it comes to getting master to write a functional specification, this is for beginners actually. If someone is already there in real time and implementation, they need not go through this course. Otherwise, if you are not yet introduced to functional specification writing, you can go through this course. So I have one more course on credit management. If someone have doubts, SDMM integration, stock transfers, in that I have covered intercompany sales and ECC. In future, I'm planning to do S4 HANA stock transfers by using business partners concept. Okay, these are the few set of courses available. This is one of the free course. If you'd like to go through it, you can go through it. And consignment sales in S4 HANA, intercompany sales, this I have done as a separate course. So this is for S4 HANA 1909 business processes. Okay, so in that stock transfer is not covered. I'm just planning to do it as a separate course. It has a lot of hard work. Yeah, you can you're privileged to go through these courses. So if you are not yet subscribed for further updates, you can subscribe my channel. So this is all about Proforam Invoices. I think this video is more helpful to you. If you like it, you can like it, and you can share to other friends. It is required, instead of forwarding nonsense videos. If you are from SAP pool, you just share this. It will be helpful for them. There is nothing like selfishness. So better learn and share the knowledge. If you like it, and you can subscribe. I'm just giving them my Udemy links below of this video. If you like it, you can utilize opportunity to enhance your knowledge on ECC and S4 HANA. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.